It's almost like somebody tipped them off.
Got any other bright ideas?
Yeah. Seal off that room. Very funny. I'm not kidding. That room is dead to me. If I have to sell the house, I'll put it on the market as a 2-bedroom plus aviary. Everybody loves an aviary.
What about Jake? You gonna put him on the market or just wall him off?
I tried with that kid, Alan. He says one thing and then he goes and does another.
He's 10. He's got the attention span of a hummingbird.
Well, then what am I supposed to do when he ignores me?
You punish him. You take away his computer, his TV, his toys.
Well, he already took away all the good stuff. What am I supposed to take away? His bronchial inhaler?
You know what I'm saying, Charlie? You don't take away your love.
And there we have it. That is a beautiful old Corbin cabinet lock given to me by Redbird 1983. Thank you very much for the lock. It's a beautiful addition to my collection, and there it is. I've picked it, and now it's got a reserved spot on the top shelf of my lock cabinet where it will sit hopefully for many years to come. So rate it, peace, keep it legal, and have fun, people.